In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create and customize favorites in the Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2 app, helping you access your most important camera views quickly and efficiently. To begin, open the app and navigate to the Favorites tab from the home screen. To create a new favorite view, tap the plus icon in the top right corner or select Add Favorites. Start by entering a name for your favorite. Next, choose the layout you want to use. Tap the plus icon to begin adding cameras. You'll see a list of your recorders, either grouped within projects or listed individually. Here, you can select the cameras you'd like to add to this favorites group. To switch to a different recorder, tap Root in the upper left corner or tap Confirm once you've selected your cameras. If you want to add more cameras, tap the plus icon again. Scroll to the recorder you need, expand the camera list, and tap the cameras you want to include. Repeat this process for any additional recorders or camera groups. When you're finished, tap Confirm and then tap Save. To view your newly created favorite, tap the play icon. Double-tap any camera to switch to full screen, and double-tap again to return to the grid layout. To return to your list of favorites, tap the back arrow in the top left. If you need to edit or delete a favorite, tap the three dots to the right of the favorite name. When you're done, tap the back arrow again to return to the home screen. And that's how you create and manage favorites in the Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2 app. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and features.